One-click rig is a Blender add-on designed for fast converting characters from one program to another. Editing animations and editing armatures. At first you need to enable Rigify add-on in Blender Preferences. Then install One-click rig add-on from a zip file. Set the scene unit setting to 0.01, because Unreal uses centimeters as a default unit. Remove all default objects. Go to File, Import FBX. Import with default settings and uncheck Import Animation. I'll show you how the default Unreal armature looks like. Now press Convert UE character to Rigify. Now you have a fully functional Rigify character ready to be animated. The Unreal armature have copied to the Rigify rig and you can export new created animations to Unreal. Also you can convert any Unreal character that shares the same bone structure with the Unreal mannequin. For example, a fire golem from the free Unreal Adversaries pack. Or a Mixamo character, which I have converted to Unreal with this add-on. I will show you how to convert and export custom characters in the next video.